I'm SolarWinds evangelist, Chrystal Taylor. I've got great news on the web performance monitoring front. If you have been using our recorder for a while, you know that a few years ago, we updated to use Chromium, which means there were two versions of the WPM transaction recorder. There was an older version that would still allow you to record things on Internet Explorer, and the newer version, which moved everything to Chromium. There were several reasons for providing both options, but unfortunately, with Microsoft losing all support for Internet Explorer, we have to move away from that. So starting in SolarWinds Platform 2024.2, including on our Web Performance Monitor product, we now have the ability to migrate those recordings to the new Chromium support. So anything that you had on the older version that required the use of Internet Explorer for whatever reason, now can be moved over to the newer version, as we are going to be deprecating support for that older recorder, considering that Internet Explorer is no longer supported even by Microsoft.